Get ready to elevate your cooking experience. Meet the Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater, designed to make food prep quick and easy. This innovative grater grates cheese, shreds vegetables, and more, all while keeping your kitchen mess-free. With 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can achieve the perfect cut every time. It's quick, efficient, and ready to handle almost any type of cheese or vegetable. Imagine saving time in the kitchen. This grater cuts down prep time significantly, from 10 minutes to just 1 minute. You'll love the convenience and ease of use it provides. Cleaning is effortless too. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Just disassemble, pop them in the dishwasher, and you're done. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about how well it works. One user said, "It grates cheese very well and fast." Another customer shared, "Super easy to put together and use. It has become a staple in our kitchen." Others appreciate its time-saving ability, particularly for quick veggie salads and cheese toppings. Despite some mixed reviews about durability, the majority of users love its sturdy design and high performance. That suction base really keeps it in place, allowing for uninterrupted grating. The Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater is more than just a kitchen tool. It's an investment in your cooking efficiency and creativity. Ready to transform your cooking routine? Don't wait. Visit our website to try the Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater today. Get ready to elevate your cooking experience. Introducing the Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. This innovative grater simplifies food prep while keeping your kitchen mess-free. Experience fast and efficient grating with 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades. Each blade delivers the perfect cut for cheese and vegetables. Imagine slashing your prep time from 10 minutes to just 1. You'll enjoy how easy it is to use. Cleaning is a breeze. Removable parts are dishwasher safe. Just disassemble, pop them in, and you're done. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about its speed and ease. One user said, "It grates cheese very well and fast." Another shared, "Super easy to put together and use." A staple in our kitchen. Users appreciate how it saves time, perfect for quick veggie salads and cheese toppings. While some have mixed reviews on durability, most love its sturdy design. The suction base ensures steady grating every time. The Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater is not just a tool, it's an investment in your cooking. Transform your routine today. Visit our website to try the Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater now.